Hello everybody, it's Big Joe here again. We are here at the Dalton Fire Hall for the siren test today. We are going to be recording this 1942 Federal Electric Model 5, but for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Joe Burke. I am an HVAC car enthusiast, siren enthusiast, local rail fan. You know, I'm into trains and air conditioners and all that kind of stuff. I'm also into sirens and stuff, so I come here daily at noon for the siren test. So you guys know, this 1942 Federal Electric Model 5 we're going to be recording today. Hey guys, just so you know, this siren is pretty loud. So I will let you guys know when to turn your speakers down. But I am into the siren world. You know, I record a lot of sirens around here. We just did another special, probably a few weeks ago, I think. We recorded Chinchilla's STH-10. You know, if you guys want, I can send you a link to the PA siren map. Also, so yeah, guys, we're going to get ready for it. It's going to go off in about, probably, so yeah, guys, that's the little intro. This is the big siren we're going to be recording here. Now, guys, just so you know, I'm going to warn you now, just turn your speakers down. So obviously, it's going to be very loud. So yeah, basically guys, enjoy the siren. It's going to be very loud. Alright guys, turn your speakers down, it's going to get loud. Sorry about that. Sorry guys, I really have to keep wiping this off today. Oh, it's not good, guys. All right. Alright, it's still spinning, guys. I'm doing the best I can, even though with all this drizzle and everything. Yeah. Alright, guys, that was the siren test right there. You know, we come down for it every day at 12 p.m. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to see, if you guys want me to record more sirens, just let me know. Tell me which ones you guys want, and we'll just leave it in a comment, and yeah, we'll try to get a video for you.